Guys, what we need here is the net property and equipment, not gross, okay? So you're going to subtract accumulated depreciation. That is what I said is negative A, because it's being subtracted. It's being subtracted from the gross property and equipment. That's the reason I said it's negative A. If you write other, it's fine. If you write, don't write L. Now I'm thinking it's not an L. It's negative A or it's another. So property and equipment. Gross. Yes. I have 480, which should be subtracted from the accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation, which is 180. I have property and equipment net, which is $300,000. So you could do this outside of this balance sheet and put $300 straightforward, or you could do the way I did. Most of them are fine. So we're good with total assets. $300 plus 50 plus 16 plus 13, $379,000. The assets are financed through liabilities and equities. No question on assets? Okay. Liabilities. Liabilities are, the most liquid liability is accounts payable. Accounts payable is $25,000. What else do we have here as L's in our table? Loans and mortgage. Loan, mortgage. Loan, how much loan? How much is loan? 50. How much is mortgage? 200, thank you, 200. So total liabilities, I'm good. I have just 3 items categorized as liabilities. So I have total liabilities as how much? 275. 175. Last, I need to figure out equities. Equities. Equity. Common stock, preferred stock, paid-in capital, retained earnings, all categorized as equities. Common stock, how much? $66,000. Next, paid-in capital. Paid-in capital, how much? 10,000. And retained earnings, $28,000. Thank you. So total equities are $104,000. Moment of truth. 379 should be equal to 275 plus 104. Check. I'm good. Question? Okay, last one is going to be what? Cash flow. Yes, the cash flow is going to be the last one, which is pretty easy. To do the cash flow though, we need to go back to our table because we need to figure out the deltas here. Right? Okay, I'm going to put something here as use of fund and source of fund so that you can use it later on in your exam. Dividends paid. So going to put delta here and use for a source here. So dividends paid, this one is a use of fund. Common stock delta 0. Accounts payable delta is 5. So accounts payable 5. Use or source? Source, why? Yes, thank you. Do I need to write down the 4 rules down here again? Do I need to write it down?
Yes.
Okay. Increasing liabilities are increasing liability. Increasing liability. Decrease. Decrease. Increasing liability is a source of fund. Decreasing liability is a use of fund. Increasing asset, use of fund. Decrease, is a source of fund. Thank you. So based on these 4 rules that you need to have them in your mind or have them on your formula notes, is the key to figure out the sources of fund and uses of fund and cash flow. So accounts receivable, 19 to 60, -3. Decrease in accounts receivable. Source of fund, use of fund. Accounts receivable is an asset. So decrease in an asset is a source of fund. Thank you. The other one is, what's the other one? Property equipment, 480, 470, plus 10. Source or use? Source or use?
Use.
Use. Why? Because it's an asset, and increase in asset is use of fund, because you have paid to purchase. Okay. Next is depreciation. Depreciation is always a source of fund. Inventories, -10, increase in asset, so it's a source of funds, right? What's next? Loans. It was 65, now it's 50, so -15. Loan is a liability. Decreasing liability is a use of fund. It means that you have paid your debt. Mortgage, 225, now it's 200. -25, use of fund, because mortgage, you have paid your mortgage, $25,000. So we're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should have 8.
So cash isn't used.
Oh, cash. I forgot cash. Good catch. 13, 4. Plus 9.
Use.
Use or source? Use. Because cash is an asset. I'm repeating myself. Cash is an asset, and increasing assets is the use of fund. Okay, now I have figured out these sources and uses of fund. I can easily figure out my cash flow for XYZ company. Cash flow. Statement of cash flow. I would do sources of funds and then uses of funds. Sources. Net income is the first source of fund, which is going to come from your income statement. If you make a mistake in your income statement, that is going to hunt you down in cash flow statement. Okay? You're going to run the test for cash flow statement to figure out if you are good or not, but the numbers are not going to match and you have stressed out, you're running out of time, so be careful. Take your time. Net income based on my income statement is $37.2 thousand.